Okay, students, today we'll discuss about your answers on the revision measures of dispersion. Okay, so this is the teacher's comments on the students' answers. Okay, first, some of you do not know how to use the formula of variance, and actually you can use table to find all these values, because this is inside the formula. Later we'll see the formula. And some of you, number 2, you forgot about the effect of data changes. What happened when you add, you subtract. So you have to know that there is no changes on the measures of dispersion, especially the range, the IQR, and the variance. The variance of a set of data added or subtracted by a constant. But when you times or divide, it will change. It will change. Okay, so the third one is the accuracy of your answers. Some of you got it wrong for the significant figures, for your answers. So don't round off. When you do, you put in the formula. Don't round off until your final answer. Final answer. Okay, class, question 1. You have to find the variance and the standard deviation. Variance is this one, and then you can find your standard deviation. When you got your variance, you just square root it, you will get your standard deviation. This is your variance. Okay, this is a set of data. Set of data that you have frequency. Frequency, and then this is your points. This is your x lah. So you know variance, you have a formula. You have a formula given to you during exam. So this is the formula. This is the formula. So what's inside the formula? So you have to know what is your f here, x square. So you have to do x square. After that you have to sum it. Okay, after that you have to find your fx and then sum. Then you have to sum your frequency. Then you use this formula. So the best thing to do is you make a table. To be well organized, you make a table like this. Because you need your fx. Fx, it's in the formula, this one. Your x square also in the formula, and then you have to times your x square with your frequency. It's all here. It's all here. So to make more organized, you just add the table, then you find, because this is your f, this is your f, this is your x, kan? So fx, that means f times x. So this one you times, you get 0, times you get 4, times 10 ini. Okay, this one done. Okay, next is, because you need to get this one with the x square, so you x square first. Your x, you square it. So 0 will become 0. 1, 1, 2 times 2, 4, 3 square, 9, 14 square, 16. And after that, you need to find your this one, before you sum it. So you just times your f and your this one, just times. So you get 2 times 0, you get 0. 4 times 1, you get 4. 5 times 4, you get 20. This one, you get 9. And then 3 times this one, 16, you get 48. Okay, all this you have to sum, right? You have to sum. So you have to sum where? So fx, yeah, fx first lah. You have to sum. So you sum all here, you'll get 81, yeah. And then your this one, your sum of f, you sum all this, you'll get 15. And then this one, fx, yeah, fx, you sum everything here, you'll get 29. 29. Then fx. Okay, so what you do, you just this is 29. You take all this, put in the formula, yeah, put inside the formula. So 81 over 15 for this one, then 29 over 15 for this one, and then you square it, and you get 1.66. yeah. So for this part, the comment number 3, comment number 3, most of you got here is 1.67. Why? Because here you already round off. So you don't round off here. Don't round off. You only round off when you get the final answer. That's why it's not accurate. Yeah, you get 1.67. Okay, after that this is your variance. Yeah, so your standard deviation, you just square root the 1.66. So you get this. Yeah, this is the answer. So it's not that complicated if you do this extra table. Okay. Okay, let's see question 2. The range, interquartile range, and variance of a set of data are 20, 8, and 12 respectively. Find the new values, the new values of range, interquartile range, and variance if each of the data is what? Okay, added by 5 and then divided by 4. Yeah, added by 5 and then divide by 4. Okay, next, when it is times and then minus 2, yeah, times 3 minus 2. So what happened to the new set of data? So this part again, some of the students forgot. They just do straightforward. Yeah, that means 20, they just plus 5 and then divide by 4. Yeah, for the, let's say, for the new range, but they got it wrong. Yeah, because they forgot this one in the textbook. Yeah, when we learn about the changes of measures of dispersion, yeah, there are no changes. Class, there is no changes to the measures of dispersion, that is the range, IQR, and also the variance. Yeah, when each of the set of data is added or subtracted by a constant, it will not change. This one will still be the same. Yeah, still be the same. It will only change when you times or you divide. Yeah, this one will change. So you have to remember also this in the textbook. So the new range, if it change, so the new range is just times. Yeah, for the multiplication, yeah, you just times with the constant. But remember, for variance, you have to times with k square. Yeah, times k square. And then if for the division, you just divide. Yeah, and again remember, for variance you have to square your constant. Yeah, so let's see the question and the answers. Okay, so for oh, this is the new range, yeah, the new range. So 20, you just divide by 4. Huh? You don't have to add, you add 5, you got it wrong already. Yeah, because it will not change. The data does not change when you add 5 if you do addition. So for the interquartile range also you divide by 4. Huh? This one divide by 4. And for variance, the new variance, let's erase this one first. So you have to divide by 4 square. Some of you got it wrong, you just divide by 4. You forgot for variance. Remember, variance is this one. So the constant also have to have that square. Okay, so for B, it's the same thing. You have to times 3. Yeah, but no need to subtract 2. So times 3 times 3. This is actually 8 times 3. You'll get 24. This is wrong. And this one also, you have to square your 3. So answer. So please remember, next time, this is the trick that the question will give you. Yeah, ask you during exam. If you forgot, then you lose marks. Okay, next. Okay, class, for question 3. Solving problem. This is band 6, quite difficult, not so, but it's hot question. Okay, now you are given a table. Yeah, for this one is scores obtained by the participants in a quiz. Yeah, so this is your point, this is your x, this is your frequency. Yeah, so again, this is a set of data in a table form. So you are given mean score is 3.36. No need to find the mean. Okay, your mean is this one, right? If you still remember, this is your mean. So this one you don't have to find anymore, given to you. So find the value of x. Okay, so next you have to find the variance. Yeah, so variance formula you have to remember. Just now we have done it. You have this, right, in the variance formula. So let's see how to do it. Again, I recommend you, my students, recommend you to straight away you write this one. Yeah, because it is in the formula. All right, if you are asked to find the variance, you just do this. Should be no problem. When you do this later on, easy for you. So for this one, yeah, for mean, how do you get 3.36? Question given to you. How they get this? So of course, it is your total of your fx. So total of your fx is this one. Yeah, you just total this one. So when total, even though you have 4y here, you just total, and your 4y is still here. No worry. 1 to 4 is this one when you total this one. Yeah, and then you divide with your f. Yeah, your f is this one. You still have your y, no problem, right? Just write your y over there. 39 is from here. This one 39. So that's it. You make one equation. Last you get your y is 11. Yeah? So easy. Yeah, so easy. Okay, now we go to find variance. Even easier, because you just use your formula. Yeah, you add which one? This one first, right? This is your total fx square, and then you divide with your total f, and then you minus with your mean. This is your mean. Don't have to do it again. Your fx, total fx over f. This one no need lah. Terus masuk, fill in your mean. This is actually mean. Okay, so you do here everything with your y already. You got this y. Yeah, your y is 11. So 4 times 11, 44. 4. You will just plus everything and then you get 2.19. This is your variance, and then your standard deviation, you just square root your variance. So this is what you get, 1.48. So that's it. So life is easier when you do this. Remember, find your fx, x square and fx square, and then you sum. Here you sum it. Yeah. Okay, so that's it. Thank you very much.